This is the garden hose foaming end sprayer. Just hook it up to your regular garden hose. I don't even have full garden hose power because I'm using pure water with about a 4 gallon a minute pump. And so you just hook up your foaming end sprayer instead of your spray nozzle. You put your soap in the bottom of this, and this will mix it. I went 1 to 4 inside the bottle with my cleaning soap, and then this will knock it down another 10 to 1, and off you go. So just foam up your vehicle right with this nice slick little system. Cleaning 101.